Okay, so I just got the CavalierCav5 Bluetooth speaker with wireless charging and built-in Alexa voice control. I just got it from Best Buy today. It was on sale. Anyway, so I'll just do a quick unboxing. The box seems really fancy. The buttons there. I don't know what those buttons are for, but I'll figure that out. Then you have some stuff there, like a USB port, DC for the outlet, I guess, for the power. This is for Wi-Fi, I guess. Display. Oh, let's see. I guess this is where the clock would show. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in and see how it works. Alright, so I just plugged it in.
Wi-Fi mode.
Oh, okay. Wi-Fi mode. Let's click on Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode. Pairing.
Oh. I don't know if it's gonna pair with this phone. I'm taking a video. I'll pause it. Okay, I'm gonna take a video on my other phone, but I'll try the wireless charging. So this is my S8. Oh, look at that. It is charging. It works. It's charging, so that's good. The wireless charging works. Awesome. So, another day. I've already set it up. It's connected to my S10, so we're just gonna try it out, see how it sounds. Okay, so Alexa, play music, please.
Here's a station you might like, Easy Pop on Amazon Music.
That's loud. Alexa, no, stop. Alexa, play Spotify.
Here's Spotify.
Oh shit, it's playing the song that I had on last night when I was going to sleep. So let's change that. Let's try something fun. Okay. the loudest, but I've turned it down. So that's it. That's the CavalierCav5 Bluetooth speaker with charger, wireless charging. Bought it for $99 at Best Buy during the I think it was earlier this year, 2020. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but I barely use it, but it's nice to have, you know, especially if I just want to have music in the background while working, especially now that I'm working from home. But okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.